Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 5th episode of Avenues of the Diamond. And ito, so far, kinikilig na ba ang lahat? Hindi ko pa siya napapanood, pero mag-start na tayo so that kiligin na tayo ng bongga. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Napanood ko na naman to! Mom! Grabe yung sexual tension! Bakit ganito?
I guess you were looking at the wrong hand. And about Eva, she's just a friend.
A friend.
You're really unbelievable.
Anong ginawa mo, Clyde? My God. Ano ba kasing gumugulo sa'yo, girl?
Riley, have you ever been kissed by a guy you're not even dating? Oh my God. Who the hell kissed you? Si Mr. Medical Student na yan.
Ang galing talaga manghula ng mga friends nila.
I knew it. Girl, what the catch? He's so guapo. I'm not happy. It will make things so awkward between us. Hindi ko nga alam why he did that. He obviously likes you.
True.
I mean, why would he kiss you if he doesn't? No way. Ba't naman niya ako magugustuhan? We never get along, and we're the total opposites.
Sure ka ba na hindi talaga nag-get along?
Siya. Kung gusto mo, tanong natin siya.
Kaya nga.
We're not even friends. We're just strangers who know each other. That's a dumb thing. Siyempre, we're not just strangers. But still. Wait. Let's get this straight. Do you hate that he kissed you? You know what?
No.
Hate is such a strong
Gusto
word.
niya yun.
I'm just taking
Shocked.
it back. I guess.
Shocked.
Okay. I think hayaan mo na muna mag-die down yung gulat. Then after that, you'll know whether you like the kiss or not. And Sam, please be honest with yourself. I mean, you're so honest with other people, but you seem to keep lying to yourself.
True. Oo nga naman, Sam. Kailangan magiging totoo sa sarili mo. Okay, nag-reminisce na po ang mag-friends, eh. Yes, Sam? Okay, Sam. Okay. Got it, Sam.
I think napapaliw na ako.
Grabe naman yan, Sam. Ba't ka nababaliw? Ano iniisip mo? Nagpok na siya. Nag-pack na siya ng gamit niya. Kasi, hindi na niya kaya yung feelings niya. Kasi, totoo, tama yung kanta niya. Meron na bang kahulugan? Diba? Totoo naman, guys. I think, ito yung stage na naiinis tayo kay Clyden at saka kay Sam kasi sobrang denial king and queen nila. Pero not for Clyden kasi alam naman natin na gusto niya talaga na si Sam. Ayan.
Gising na ako. Sorry.
Morning person na kasi si Yana. Malapit na mga anak eh.
Who kissed me? Ano?
Yun lang.
Kiss lang. Masarap ba? Yana,
Siyempre.
this is not the right time to ask that, okay? I'm confused. Bakit niya pinalikan?
Kasi gusto ka niya.
Huwag kang pilingera at inosente. First time mo ba, girl? Malamang, hinalikan ka kasi gusto ka niya.
True.
But you never told me that. And I also don't want to assume. It's just that with Clyden, everything's uncertain.
Mm.
Ano bang feelings mo kay Clyden?
Hala, may pa-slow mo.
Ako naman, I could easily tell if I like the guy.
Talaga ba, Yana? Ay,
With Clyden,
Sam.
everything's just different.
Alam niyo, buti na lang, ang galing, ang talino ni Guy kasi ganito yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Kasi, what if nauna sila Arkin and si Via. Ano yung continuity ng story? And tumatanda si Avi, di ba?
Tukbo ko, no? Sabi ko talaga eh, mas kilala kita kaysa sa sarili mo.
At Sam, yan ha. Halika, kakain muna tayo, ha? Sumunod pa kayo sa pagkainan.
Sige po, sige po, Lola. Tara na, kain muna tayo. Kung i-overthink
Alam niyo, iniisip ko kung napakita dun sa Safe Skies Archer yung lola ni Yana. Kasi ang galing lang if sila pa din yung nakuha ha. And available pa rin sila dito sa role nila dito. It's the continuity of the story, di ba? Sobrang yun yung inaabangan natin as a fan of the book or the series. Ayan.
gusto mong pagluto yung future husband mo, no?
Oramal na lalaki.
Alam niya parang nadagdag tong story na to kasi parang wala to sa book. Kasi never napakita dun yung side ni Yana. Like yung mom lang niya talaga. From Safe Skies Archer.
Ay, naku, Lola. Alam mo, sasamahan kita.
Gusto ko yung ganitong nagdadagdag sila ng side story pero at the same time hindi nawawala yung pinaka-essence and yung pinaka-thought ng story. Essence and thought, paras lang yun. Ang dami kong daldal, no, guys? Very kikay talaga si Sam.
Pero teka lang, iniisip ka na bang name para kay baby?
Ay, eto.
Wala pa nga.
May ambag si Sam.
Malayo pa naman yung due date ko. Wala pang oras.
Wow. Gusto mo ba i-ask ko si Hero for a name?
So, kamusta pala yung nahalikan ni Clyde?
Grabe na mag-asaran tong dalawa na to.
Kiss niya.
I won't answer that.
Sus. Siguro,
Masarap.
ayaw mo lang maalala kasi baka ma-realize mo magustuhan mo. No?
Hmm.
I didn't.
Talaga ba?
Rate ko siguro mga 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10 pero hindi mo naman makalimutan.
Fine. 10 out of 10.
Out of 10!
Just because it feels different, okay?
Kasi may sparks.
It's weird na he said he doesn't date, but he knows how to kiss. Diba?
Eh, pwede mo namang halikan, di ba? Kahit hindi mo dinedate. Marami yan.
Atin?
Eh, pero kung wala talaga siyang experience, baka naman nanonood ang part.
Huh? Kung talaga, maybe he likes watching rom-com movies. Yun lang yun.
Ah! Magaling ba talaga? Kiss ko mo ulit. Baka ako lang i-11 out of 10 na yung Sharma.
Nakakaloka.
Uy, nag-text si Clyde.
Wait,
Hindi hinahanap pa.
Sabi ko na talaga eh. Kanina mo pa initignan mong phone mo. Umuwi ka na kaya para hindi ka titig dyan.
I'll go home in a while. Tsaka, sa kondo ko didiretso, no? I'm still not ready to face it. Besides, I already moved out from our house.
Uy.
Babalik ka din.
Paano kung sunduin ka ni Clyde? Tatanggin ka?
He won't. Hindi nga niya ako minag-message.
Oh.
Kung nasa na ngayon.
Pisa tong si Yana, we.
Ganyan dito, meron kami mga libro-libro dito. Matalino yan sila, matalino din naman ako. Pero mas malaki sa kay Lord. Kaya,
Mas malakas ako kay Lord. Yes, Regen. True. Ba't ka ba nagsiselos?
If he's not thinking of me, then ako rin. I can just sit around and wait for him to text. Friend who's interested in meeting.
Oh, okay. Natatandaan ko to. Ito yung nakipag-date siya dun sa... Football player ba yun?
Is he still interested? Can you...
may Clyde ka na.
We're not together, okay? And I'm super single.
Mm.
Talaga ba?
Yes. So,
Sana all may ganitong ano. Alam nyo, sinasabi ng mga tao na parang gusto nila to maging Clyde din. Pero parang hindi na wala silang chemistry ni Sam. In my opinion ha, tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Kung tama ako na siya yung sinasabi nila. Kasi meron akong nakitang video clip sa TikTok na sinasabi nila na gano'n na ito yung Clyde na gusto nila. Pero actually, with this scene, yung naka-gray na shirt si Lance, nakita ko na niya si Joseph Marcos. Oh, sorry guys. Nasisira ko yung imagination ko sa sarili kong utak. Ang hirap kapag hindi ka talaga nakikinig doon sa kausap mo. Like, lumulutang, nasa ibang dimension yung utak mo. 'Di ba, Sam? Yung daldal lang daldal yung kasama mo pero hindi ka naman talaga nakikinig sa kanya. Physically present but mentally absent. Tama, di ba? Ah! I missed you now. What?
Did you regret kissing me?
I cannot.
Best thing I did.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
So why did you kiss me?
Isn't it obvious?
Say it.
I like you.
Okay, sinabi na niya.
I like you.
Wait lang, wait lang. Ayun na. Oh my god, oh my god. That's it, that's my boy. Grabe yung kilabot ko, guys. Oh my god. Bedroom na ba to? Oh my god, oh my god. Manang-mana ka sa kaibigan mo. Marupok. Oh my god, wait lang. Paano? Ang galing niya. Oh my god. Sana all. May dileg, di ba, Sam? Una na naginip lang siya. Huwag mo sabihin.
Let's date. For real this time.
Finally. More laplapa na this. Yung mga susunod na episodes natin ay rated 13 na talaga. Pero mas wild pa rin talaga yung story ni Yana.
That mom was such a
So, saan ka ba nanggaling?
Ayan.
Sino kasama mo nag-dinner?
Oh, patay ka ngayon, Sam.
Kanina pa ba? He just can't let it pass, huh?
Nakipag-date.
The friend.
Sino friend?
Guy friend.
This. This friend. Is a football player and
Akala ko soccer football pala.
environmentalist. Wait, I'll pack my things. It's getting late.
So, was it a date? Was it a date?
Sobrang cute ni Sam pagka siya yung nasa awkward situation.
It was a date. But I don't like the guy, okay?
So, you just came back from a date and then you kissed me after.
Diba?
When you put it that way, you're making me sound like a player. I just went out with a random guy because I thought my feelings for you were not that serious at all.
Feelings? What feelings?
Feelings? You already know eh.
No, I don't.
Fine. I like you.
Bakit parang kinikilig ka? Clayden?
You know what? It's getting late. Rain's pouring outside. And I'm pretty sure traffic na din. So, I think it's best if we just spend the night.
Paano yung mga aso? Diba?
Say so. Oh my God. What's gonna happen tonight?
Wala kang dilig for today, yayakapin ka lang. Charis. Diba?
So, na-excite ako for nothing? I mean, technically we're engaged.
Sam? Are you asleep?
Yes, I'm sleeping.
Yes, asleep pero hindi ko sumasagot.
Nahalikan mo rin ba yung Ruiz na yun?
It's Louis. And no, I didn't kiss him. I only kissed the guys I like, okay?
Guys? So ilan kami?
One, okay? And it's you. God, we're engaged.
Di mo naman suot yung sing-sing mo.
What? Lagi ko kaya suot.
Laging nakakwintas sa'yo. You don't wear it like this, oh.
I didn't know he can be this petty pag nagsiselos. Fine. Fine. I'm gonna wear it. Huh? See?
Baka ayan na. Ayan na yung dilig. Ayan na yung dilig. Gano'y Oxygen, please. Ang...
Slow kiss policy while dating.
Okay.
Pag-official na kami in a relationship.
So, yung balot na balot si Sam pag natutulog. Samantalang si Yana, Diyos ko, halos wala nang suot.
Let's go on a breakfast date.
Breakfast date!
Sure.
Kabalik na sila sa bahay. Ang daming kilig moments today for today's episode. So, yung mga...
Okay ba suot ko? Ay, pupuntahan lang ako.
Pero, you might bring me to a fancy restaurant. I'm torn.
Sira ulo tong si Regine eh.
Sige, babay na.
You know what? It's my first time on a breakfast date.
It's also my first time going on a date in general. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, I don't have time to date.
So, yung kiss? Yung kiss natin, was that your first time too?
No?
Kawawa naman yung waffle.
I'm just wondering if you're an expert there and if you're playing with me right now. Nung date experience tapos napaghalikan.
You made me sound so bad. I've only kissed 3 women during college.
And during med school,
Ikaw lang.
Yun naman eh. Pero alam ko si Eva yata yung isa.
Yours is pink. Minsan, purple.
Grabe, sobrang observant ni Clyden.
Attention. Like, ano ba mas prefer mo? Soft type or hardcore?
Iba yung naisip niya. Ay, nako, Sam. Kaibigan ka nga ni Yana.
About personality types. Stop talking about sex. It's so early in the morning. Anyways, I'm curious. So what's your answer?
You.
Huh?
You're exactly my type.
Kala ko ba hindi mo type? Diba? Wow. Rar.
Oh, by the way,
And I like you.
Sana all. Sana all talaga.
also not my boyfriend. He's... He's my fiancé.
Diba?
Fiancé?
Are you okay?
Kinikilig ako, oh my God.
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, Gigi. Why do I feel panicky? It could be my first time to hold hands with a guy. Remember when you told me na pasmado yung kamay ko and tiring-tiring ka hawakan?
Pasmado ka ba? Ba't basa kamay mo?
Well,
Okay. That was me. I was nervous. Pero di na kita bibitawan.
Aww. Hindi bibitawan. Sige, sana all may Clyden.
ang hirap ka talaga nakakatigol. Tara na, mag-grocery na tayo.
Alam nyo, parang habang pinapanood ko to, parang hindi na si Sam at si Clyden ang napapanood ko. Parang si Aubrey tsaka si Lance na to.
Parating
Kasi ganito sila mag-asaran. When I watched their live. Pausok. Alam mo, ang galing lang kasi nakuha nila si Miss Claudine Barreto. Like to think, buti pumayag siya with this, with this series. Ang galing lang. Parang medyo comeback niya to. Medyo fresh from her. For her, kasi, di ba usually heavy drama. Pero may heavy drama dito eh.
At ako na rin yung isa. Is this your best friend? Yana?
Yeah, she's in Nueva Ecija now. You remember her? I think I was drunk when I told you about her. I used to have my best friend Yana, you know, and she was always there for me.
Siyempre. Best friend mo yun eh. And your sister? Aren't you guys close?
I know me. How's your studies? Why do you even care? I don't need you to buy me makeup, okay? I can ask Dad to buy me makeup. Stop acting like you care about me. You don't know anything about me. It's annoying. Please stop giving me your hand-me-downs like I'm a charity case. Di ba ba alam na nakaka-offend you? Just leave. Please stop acting like you care about me. I really care about you, Nay.
Oh, sorry. If it's too personal, you don't have to.
No. She's actually my half-sister. She started living with us a few years ago when her mom died. I was really happy to have her because I grew up as an only child and gusto ko talaga maging ate. But you know,
Wala din to dun sa book and ang galing lang.
doesn't want to talk to me.
Hindi ko alam kung wala sa book ha, correct me if I'm wrong. Pero para wala akong natatandaan na nagkwento si Sam dun
Never stop reaching out and being
about sa ganito. And natatandaan ko, nagkwento lang si Clyden dun sa latter part na nagkausap sila ni Naomi.
I'm sure she'll open up to you more eventually.
thanks, I. That means a lot.
so in love. Uy.
Who gave that to you?
Si Sebi.
Wala pa?
Yeah.
I can't remember. Baka yung ex ko nung high school.
You like teddy bears?
I'm more of a flowers and chocolate type of girl. Ang ganda oh! At ang sweet na nagbigay. Nagdala pa talaga ng bouquet sa
Hindi niya binigay yung flowers.
those cute and sweet things. Kung sa akin binigay yan, hindi ka bibitaw.
I remember.
Have I mentioned that before?
Oh, nung sa bar tayo. Nung nakita ko yung flowers ko. I mean, yung may naiwan na bouquet of flowers doon sa bar.
Wala, nakangiti na lang ako habang pinapanood to. Ano na? Direct Gino, ang galing mo. Ano ba? Magkikiss na naman itong dalawang to.
Ma'am Samantha, ready na po ang dinner sa
Yes. Ayan na si Naomi.
Hi, Naomi. What? I like your makeup. Our dinner's ready na. I just want to ask you about your birthday since malapit na. Do you have any plans? I can help you. I don't want to celebrate it. Hey, why not? We can plan a beach party with your friends. We have a membership sa isang exclusive island resort, and it would be fun to fly everyone there. Are you for real? Are you really suggesting na mag-beach party ako? Are you that insensitive? Naomi, I'm sorry.
She's a bad kid.
Her anger is valid. I was insensitive. I suggested that she can have a beach party for her birthday when I know that her mom died at the beach. What was I thinking?
Gusto mo lang naman siyang sumaya sa birthday niya.
Sam, Blyden, dinner's ready. Let's eat.
Sana ipakita din dito na nag-usap si Clyden tsaka si Sam. I mean si Clyden tsaka si Naomi.
Blyden, don't be shy, ha? Just eat.
Yes, po, tita.
Should we call Naomi? We should eat together.
She always eats mga 9 or 10 din ba? Ewan ko, tama siya.
You don't call her to eat?
I tried. Once. She didn't respond, so mas gusto yata niya kumain mag-isa.
I'll call her. Excuse me, bro.
Ayan. Ito yata yun, yung moment there na
Mom, you should check up on Naomi. Maybe there's something wrong with how you're treating her, and she would rather stay inside her room than eat dinner with you.
I really don't care about the kid.
It's my fault. I ruined her night.
Hey. Are you okay? Something wrong?
I just need some fresh air. Why is it always so emotionally taxing whenever I visit your family's house? Sana pwede kong alisin si Naomi sa bahay na yun. Thank you for coming with me today, Sai. Having you there made the night tolerable.
Sobrang swerte nila sa isa't isa.
Parents' house dati. Kaya minsan tumatagal talaga ako sa mga coffee shops or library para lang di makauwi. But now, napapaisip na ako na moving in was actually a good idea. I look forward going home now. Going home to you.
Going home to you.
You were so into me back then. Minsan ba you feel guilty after
Yeah.
Sana all.
I don't believe you. You know what? You're the most sarcastic asshole I've ever met.
Until now, I'm treating you nicely. Come on.
I'm kidding. You're a warm and kind person, Sai. And you're the only person in the world who understands exactly how I feel. I thought you're gonna wait.
How do you know when you're already falling in love? Because I think I am.
Gusto mo yan. How do you know when you're falling in love? Because I know I am. My God! And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 5 of Avenues of the Diamond. Hindi ko alam kung sa intro na sabi ko Chasing in the Wild. Pero, guys, grabe na to. Todo na yung kilig natin and kinakabahan ako sa mga susunod na episode. Kasi I'm sure, alam na natin na mas mapapalipit na si Clyden at si Sam sa isa't isa. And also, feeling ko mag-open heart na talaga si Naomi sa kanila. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Comment down below kung ano man yung gusto nyo napapansin nyo. And sa mga nagko-comment dito, thank you guys na nararamdaman ko yung mga thoughts nyo. And ayun lang, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!